CGTech's Vericut software is the standard for CNC simulation, verification, optimization, analysis, and additive manufacturing. Vericut simulates real NC data on digital twin machines to prevent crashes, identify conflicts between setups and tooling, and ensure machined parts match engineering designs. Vericut's modular format provides flexibility. You purchase only the capabilities you need. Vericut verification. Vericut reads the same post-processed G-code as your machine tool and detects errors before they can damage your machine. Machine simulation. Vericut enables you to perform realistic 3D simulations of entire CNC machines, just like they behave in the shop, with the most accurate collision detection available. Multi-axis. Simulate multi-axis milling, drilling, turning, and combination mill-turn operations with Vericut. See the entire machining process and simultaneously check for errors at the workpiece and machine tool. Additive. Vericut simulates both additive and traditional machining capabilities of new hybrid CNC machines to verify that all setups and holding fixtures will work and that the finished part matches the intended engineered design. Force optimization. Vericut Force significantly reduces machining times and improves cutting tool and machine life. Force Analyze mode and charts help visualize the cutting process to expose areas of opportunity and areas of concern. All NC programs, new or old, can be optimized with Force to run as efficiently and safely as possible. Composite applications. Program, verify, and simulate your actual NC programs with Vericut Composite Programming, VCP, and Vericut Composite Simulation, VCS. Vericut operates independently, but can also be integrated with leading CAM systems. Save time, save money, save your machines. Choose Vericut.